All right, let's talk about troubleshooting gas valves. So I ran into a unique scenario the other day where I was working on an 8% furnace, natural gas, and could hear the spark igniter trying to ignite, but it wasn't igniting. So I started looking at the gas valve, and what ended up happening was, so we were getting about 7.5 inches on the inlet side, but that was before it would actually open. So I had manometers like this set up on both inlet and outlet, and when the gas valve opened up, this was the supply pressure. So I basically fell to 0 on the inlet side and still had 0 on the outlet side. So what that tells me is that there's either no gas or not enough gas coming in from before the gas valve. So it'd be an issue with either a gas regulator or maybe even no gas coming in at all, and the pressure showing up as just excess air in the gas lines or something else. So that inlet pressure with the gas valve shut could have been something other than gas too, but when the gas valve opens, it drops to 0, telling me there's definitely either not enough gas coming from the regulator or there's no gas at all coming in the inlet side of the gas valve.